Hi Rockets! Today we're going to do some pretend play shopping. We are going to go pretend shopping for some new clothes. When we go pretend shopping, we're practicing skills that help us recognize the numbers on our price tags. And we're also practicing counting with one-to-one correspondence as we count out our money. Let's get started. All right, the first thing that we need is a new hat. And I've picked out one right here. There's a price tag on it. It says that this hat costs this many dollars. Do you recognize this number? This hat costs $7. So now what we need to do is we need to count out $7 so that we can pay the store worker, the cashier. All right, I have my money here. I'm gonna count out $7 from my pile of dollar bills. As I count, I'm gonna move them to a different pile. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we counted out $7 because our hat costs $7. Let's double check to make sure we have $7 bills right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would pay the store worker $7. Here you go, I'd like to buy the hat. And then we could take our hat home with us. Or we could keep shopping for some new things. I'm gonna put this in my shopping bag. All right, now I'd like to buy a new pair of warm, fuzzy socks for winter. Here's our new pair of socks, and they cost this many dollars. Do you recognize this number? This is the number 8. So we'll need to count out $8 from our stack of dollar bills to pay the store worker. Here's our stack of dollar bills. Let's count out 8 together and then we'll double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice how as I'm counting out the dollar bills, I'm putting them into a new place. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see the dollar bills even better, and you can help me double check to make sure I have $8 bills. All right, I think that this is $8 bills, but I wanna double check to make sure I'm giving the workers enough money for our new pair of warm, fuzzy socks. All right, help me count these dollar bills as I move them to a new pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it a match? Yep, $8 for our new pair of fuzzy socks. All right, $8 to go to our socks. Here you go. Thank you, and I'm putting my socks into my shopping bag. All right, let's see what's next. Next up, we need a new shirt. We are going to buy a red J.L. Wilson Cardinals shirt. This t-shirt costs this many dollars. Do you recognize this number? This is the number 9. There's a number 9 on this price tag because the shirt costs $9. So we need to count out $9 to pay for a new t-shirt. Here's our stack of dollar bills. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you can help me count out 9 of them. All right, let's count together. As I move the dollar bills to a new pile, we need 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we still have some left over. All right, we needed to count out $9 to pay for our new J. Wilson t-shirt. Can you help me double check that we've counted out $9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Moving our dollars to a new place, or moving anything to a new place as we count it, is a good strategy for keeping up with how many dollars you've counted out, not getting mixed up with your extra pile of dollars. So we got a new t-shirt. Let's put it in our shopping bag. Next up, it's getting cold outside, or it's already cold. So we're gonna buy a new sweater. This sweater costs, it's pretty expensive, costs a lot of dollars. It costs $12. A 12 has a 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. This is the number 12. So we need to count out $12 bills to pay for our new sweater. This was on the price tag, $12. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12, that's all my money. The sweater was the most expensive thing that we've bought so far. We counted out $12. Oh, we have to pay. Here you go. Thank you. And let's put our sweater into our shopping bag. All right, the last thing that we need to buy is anticipation of the weather getting warmer once spring is here. We're going to buy a new pair of shorts. And on the price tag for these shorts is this number. What number do you see? This is the number 10. 10 has a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. So we need to count out $10 to pay for these new green shorts, kind of turquoise. All right, can you help me count out $10? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you can help me double check that this is in fact $10. We don't want to give the store too much money, and we definitely won't be able to buy the shorts if we don't have enough. Let's count together to make sure that this is $10, matching our number here on the price tag, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a match. All right, let's pay for our new pair of shorts. Here you go, $10. Thank you, and we'll put them into our shopping bag. And now, let's see how much money we have left over. I have this many bills left in my hands. Can you count with me to help me find out how many bills I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many dollar bills did I have left? 11. 11 was the last number that we said. That's how many in all. This is the number 11. 11 has a 1 in the tens place and a 1 in the ones place. Rockets, today we went pretend shopping. We got to buy a whole new wardrobe almost. New hat, new shirt, new shorts, new sweater. If you would like to go pretend shopping at your house, all you need are some clothes, some price tags, which are just numbers written on cards, and you can attach them to the clothing if you're able to do that, and some pretend money. I just used green construction paper cut into rectangles. You could also use any kind of white paper that you have and color it green. You can also use another color and just pretend that those are dollars. You also don't have to do this with clothing. You could go pretend shopping in a clothing store, but you could also go pretend shopping in a grocery store. And you could label some old recycled materials like a empty cereal box or empty cans with price tags as well. And you could pay the cashier at your grocery store using your pretend play money as well. Pretend play shopping helps us practice counting out our money. It helps us practice recognizing our numbers, like the number 10, the number 11, the number 12, some of those bigger numbers that we're still practicing. It also can help us with our social emotional skills. So you can learn how to pretend to be different roles, the customer versus the worker. And you can take turns with your family, switching those roles too. I hope you had fun going pretend play shopping with me. If you do this at home and you would like to let me know about it, feel free to send me a message, a video, an email, or post about it on Seesaw. I'd love to hear about it. Bye, Rocket. See you soon.